So if you've just got this OpenRun Pro 2 Mini and you want a quick, simple setup and user guide, this video will walk you through how to use it, how to answer calls, control music, and all the basic functions you need to get started. So right after unboxing, to pair it to the device of your choice, first press and hold down this power button until it turns on and then starts showing flashing red and blue LED. That means it's on pairing mode. Now open settings on your device and just go to the Bluetooth. You know the drill. And when OpenRun's name shows up in here, just tap on it and pair. Now, first of all, talking about audio, there are 4 sets of speakers on both the pads over and under. Now, let's talk about some button functions, especially this multifunction button. So while listening to music, by pressing once on this button, you can pause and then play the music. A double tap will skip forward if you're listening to a playlist, and a triple press will skip to the previous one. And as you can see, if you press over this volume up and down key, you can increase or decrease the volume. But this only works when there is music playing. Otherwise, it will just give you a voice prompt about the battery percentage. Now let's talk about phone calls. Now, these are the tiny microphones over both the pads. So when there is a call, you can press once on this multifunction button to take the call. Press the same button to end the call when you're done. And if you want to reject a call, don't want to take it, just press and hold down this multifunction button when there is an incoming call. Now, whenever there is no music or no ongoing phone call, if you press and hold down this multifunction button, this will activate the voice assistant. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Now let's talk about resetting the device. So if you want to hard reset it for some issues or just to start fresh, to reset it, first press and hold down this power key and just turn it off if it's on. Now you're gonna hold down this multifunction, volume down and up and power keys simultaneously for 5 to 7 seconds. A purple LED will flash, you'll get a vibration, and then it'll go into pairing mode once again, showing flashing blue and red LED. Means the reset is done. You can turn it off, and then on again, and then repair it with the device of your choice. Now let's talk about the Shokz app. So if you want, you can search for the official Shokz app and then download and install it to your device. Just like you set up any other app, nothing unusual or complex in here. If it's connected to your phone and turned on, the app will automatically detect your OpenRun Pro. As you can see from this app dashboard, you can change the EQ and switch between different modes. Those are preset. And also if you want, you can create a custom equalizer from here as well. And you can also enable multi-point connection with another device. Just connect 2 devices and seamlessly switch between them if you want. And apart from this, if you go to the wheel icon, there will be different settings, functions, and options available that you can customize, including firmware update. Now let's talk about charging. There is this Type-C charging port right under this waterproof flap. So you can charge it by plugging into the cable that came with the box, or any functional Type-C will also do, but the original is recommended. And when you're done listening for the day, you can press and hold down this same power button till it shows the red LED and shuts down. Then you need to know on your OpenRun Pro 2 Mini Bone Conduction Headphones. Thanks for watching.